Welcome to this video on the models and theories of communication. We will explore the processes, frameworks, and dynamics that define human interaction. Communication theories provide essential frameworks for understanding how we interact. They help us analyze the communication process, identify key elements, and spot potential barriers or noise that can disrupt the flow of information. We will focus on the foundational Shannon and Weaver model. Developed in 1949, the Shannon and Weaver model views communication as a linear transmission process. It consists of a sender, an encoder, a channel, the potential for noise, a decoder, and the final destination of the message. To illustrate, consider a classroom lecture. The teacher is the sender, encoding thoughts into words. The airwaves act as the channel. Background chatter serves as noise, while students decode the information to reach the final destination of understanding. This model remains highly influential due to its focus on noise. By identifying physical, semantic, or psychological interference, it emphasizes the need for intentional clarity. Understanding this helps create resilient communication strategies that ensure messages reach their intended destination. While the linear model is foundational, other theories add depth. Aristotle's model emphasizes rhetoric and persuasion. Berlow's SMCR model incorporates psychological and cultural factors, and the interactive model highlights the importance of feedback in creating a reciprocal loop. Communication models are practical tools for analysis. Whether identifying technical barriers or fostering team feedback, these theories are key to mastery. By studying these exchanges, we can better design our messages and create effective connections in our daily lives. This video utilized images from Vecteezy and Unsplash for educational purposes.